Tumatabo, papalayo, kinakausap ang sarili ko. Nalilito at naiinis, hanggang kailan ito matitiis? Heto na naman, binabalikan ang nakaraan. Gulong-gulo nararamdaman sa'yo. Gabi na naman, puso'y di naman mapigilan. Isip sana'y magdahan-dahan sa'yo. Kinaibigan na ang gabi, mga alaala'y sinusubukang isang tabi. Nagtatanong kung ba't ganito, tila lahat ay pabalik sa'yo. Heto na naman, binabalikan ang nakaraan. Gulong-gulo nararamdaman sa'yo. Gabi na naman, puso'y di naman mapigilan. Isip sana'y magdahan-dahan sa'yo. Heto na naman, binabalikan ang nakaraan. Gulong-gulo nararamdaman sa'yo. Gabi na naman, gabi na naman, puso'y di na naman mapigilan. Isip sana'y magdahan-dahan sa'yo. Thank you. Mga ngiti sa ating mga labi. Pigilan man, nahulog na, patay na sa isa't isa. Sumandal ka lang, huwag nang mag-isip. Wala na tong hangganan, wala nang hangganan. Walang dahilan para ika'y bumitaw. O aking sinta, dito ka lang. Walang hangganan, walang hangganan, walang hangganan. Di mo ba nakikita? Mga mata natin nagkakapuso na. Di mo ba natarama? Tayong dalawa'y lumilipad at masaya. O sumandal ka at wag nang mag-isip. Wala na tong hangganan, wala nang hangganan. Walang dahilan para ika'y bumitaw. O aking sinta, dito ka lang. Hey! Sumandal ka lang, huwag nang mag-isip. Wala na tong hangganan, wala nang hangganan. Walang dahilan para ikaw itaw. O aking sinta, dito ka lang. Sumandal ka lang. Hey! Wala nang hangganan. Aking sinta, walang hangganan, walang hangganan, walang hangganan. Walang hangganan, walang hangganan, walang hangganan. Maraming salamat.
That was a feast. That was a 2-for-1 show, courtesy of our guest for today. Before I mention their name, of course, welcome everybody to Easy Rock Plugged In. How are you guys doing? Of course, my name is Shai, and yes, today with us here, of course, is Mr. Daniel Paringit.
Let's
Hi.
go! Hello, DJ Shai.
So nice to see
po?
you again. I hate that sobrang layo natin sa isa't isa, pero you know what? Because I have a cold right now, sige lang. Let's keep our distance. 4 feet apart daw, mask, wash your heads, etc. COVID yun eh. But anyway, you get the point. But hi, how are you?
Kamusta, DJ Shai?
Okay.
Kuya naman. Excited ako. First time ko dito, DJ
Oh,
Shai.
actually, you know, I've been watching his gigs ages ago. Ages ago. Grabe. Like, wala pa masyadong cheeks nung time na yon. On that note, pwede pasample nga nito. Sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako sa photo na to sa, you know, behind Daniel. Sige nga, sample nga natin yun. Ganyan. Tuwang-tuwa ako. But yeah, I've been watching your gigs for the longest time, and it's only now that you got to be here with Easy Rock Plugged In. So nakakatuwa. We're so glad to have you here. Pero ba't mag-isa ka?
Usually may kasama talaga akong banda.
I mean, I know you're with a band,
pero,
but
wala,
hindi ka nila priority. Oo, diba? Like, you're not their priority. And you know what?
Hindi, joke lang.
It's fine, guys. Sanay na tayo mag-solo sa buhay paminsan-minsan. That's what Daniel is doing now. Hi sa bandmates.
Hello sa bandmates ko. Love you
Hi,
guys.
binabash ko na kayo dito. But anyway, again, grabe, galing na performances mo earlier. You gave us 2 songs and we're so grateful for that. Let's talk about the first one, the song called Sayo.
Yeah.
And it apparently went viral on TikTok. At may nag-comment talaga, yes, proud of that, of course. So may nag-comment na, akala ko, something. Oh, yung mic, ano yun? Ba't ganon? Was it all, you know what, wasn't all of your feelings summed up about and performing the song?
Hype talaga yung Sayo. Isa siya sa mga paborito kong tugtugin live. Tapos apat lang naman kami sa banda.
Yeah.
Shoutout pala sa inyo. Cluster, Gel, and Jello. Pag yun na yung song, medyo upa ka na talaga. Parang, ito na yun. Last na. Bigyan na natin yung best natin. Tapos yung lahat ng energy. Ito na yun. So, ewan ko, napapasuntok na lang ako sa ere pag sa'yo na. Kaya may nag-comment. Kala nila tatamaan sila ng mic. Hindi.
But actually, I was gonna mention this towards the end of the show na, but I really just have to say that we don't give you justice with the booth, but the acoustics, with the studio, whatever it is. Pero, kasi when I watch you perform live, grabe yung energy mo. Grabe talaga what you give to the audience. It's such a feat. It's such a show, not just for the ears, but also for the eyes. Ang saya mong panoorin. Oo, seryoso talaga. I'm not kidding talaga when I say that I have fun watching and listening to your gigs. Nakakatuwa.
Salamat.
But yeah, how about with the song Walang Hanggan? You also went viral on TikTok a year ago. Lagi ka nagpa-viral, no? And that's a good thing, yeah. So, over the performance at the UP Fair. So, being invited to such a huge gig, what's the most challenging part in performing, in front of a huge crowd?
Pinaka-challenging siguro na...
Hindi namin kasi alam yung feeling So,
huwag kakainin ng kaba. Never na nawala yung kaba ko, DJ siya eh. Pero, ayun, parang challenging din siguro kung... paano mo ipapakita yung performance mo, mabigay yung best mo, kahit hindi mo alam or parang di ka sure kung ano yung ibabato ng tao sa'yo. Parang wala, all out pa rin.
Pero wala namang literal binato sa'yo, no?
Wala naman. Sana never
Never
mangyari.
mangyari. Yun actually, yun talaga yun. Alright. Well, ito naman, kasi mahilig kami mag-stalk ng mga artists namin. So apparently, you spent 3 days in Singapore for work. In fairness, for work, di ba?
Yeah.
For Zach Tabudlo's The Morning Tour. So among the 3 days, besides the show, what was your favorite part of the trip?
Favorite day, yung 3rd day.
What happened there?
Na-invite ako sa UMG Singapore tsaka sa Spotify Singapore office. Tapos parang, actually na-upload ko yung vlog ko sa YouTube. Yung
bago lang yun, di ba?
First day hanggang 3rd day, kaka-upload ko lang. Sana panoorin nyo. Pero yung 3rd day kasi, akala ko tour lang talaga, especially dun sa Spotify office. Tapos meron dun wall ng... drum skin. Tapos nakapirma yung mga artists. Sila Nicki, sila The Script, BTS, 5 Seconds of Summer, mga ganun. So ako, wow na wow talaga ako. So parang, grabe, pangarap ko. Sana malagay din ako dito someday. Tapos na-surprise ako, may naka-ready pala silang drum skin para pirmahan ko rin. So parang, kaya ako siguro siya favorite.
I love that for you. Alam mo, I was about to suggest na dapat sinayin mo na lang. Like, they would know. Malalaman nila na ikaw yun, di ba? Pero at least they gave you that opportunity. Congrats for you.
Thank you.
I love that. Well, again, you guys could check that out on his vlog. All right. So based also on your day 1 vlog, you had your first trip as a as a couple.
Yeah.
Kumusta naman ang magiging jowa? Travel buddy. Si Zach.
Si Zach, solid. Si Zach kasi parang wala akong masabi. Parang marami kasing tao na nakikita si Zach. I mean, kilala si Zach as Zach the number 1.
Yes.
Yung alam mo yung feeling na minsan parang cannot be reached. Pero sa totoong buhay talaga, sa personal, best friend ko talaga. As in, sobrang down to earth niya na tao. Tsaka yung hindi mo ina-expect sa kanya na trip, trip din niya.
Trip niya rin pala.
As in, minsan, may random nights kami. As in, kahit dito lang around Pasig, kasama naman si Ate Shanine din, yung kapatid niya. As in, food trip ka kami sa karinderya. Ganun. As in, sobrang solid ka trip. No?
That's so cool. So, baka naman, Zach, next time dito ka naman, you know. So, would you say na, kasi ako, you know, as a fan's perspective, very nonchalant si Zach. Sa totoong buhay ba OA siya?
Oh. Sorry, tol. Hindi.
Okay lang.
Sobrang totoo niyang tao lang. Siguro kaya rin kami, hyper kasi po ako as a person. Kaya rin siguro kami magkasundo tsaka matagal yung friendship namin kasi hyper din siya. So, kung alam niyo lang hanggang anong oras kami natatapos sa trip. Minsan baliktad na yung araw namin. Pero masaya pa rin, masaya. Ay, happy birthday pala sa tatay ni Zach.
Happy birthday sa tatay ni Zach!
Si Tita RJ, feeling ko nanonood siya ngayon. Sagi niya ako, sinusuportahan. Thank you, Tita. Happy birthday.
Happy
Congrats.
birthday, Tita! Congrats! Nakikilang. Nakikisabay lang ako. But anyway, sige, on the note of OA and nonchalant, that's actually one of our questions for our next game called Icebreakers Fast Talk. Ayan, very simple lang. You just have to answer my questions real fast. We're gonna get to the details later on, but for now, let's do a quick one, starting with the first one. Best Singaporean food.
Hainanese chicken rice.
Diba? That's the deconstructed tinola. Think about it, guys. It is. Anyway, favorite music instrument besides the guitar?
Drums.
Drums, okay. Favorite OPM artist besides yourself?
Zach.
Yeah? Alam, hindi lang nakakainis. Salamin or Pantropico?
Pantropico.
Hey, let's go! And of course, OA or nonchalant? Nasagot mo na. OA talaga. Let's go, OAs. Magka-crush or ikaw ang maging crush?
Magka-crush.
Okay.
Kasi pagka nagkaroon ka ng crush, meron kang bagong kanta eh.
Ayun.
Kapag may crush lang sa'yo,
wala.
Hindi ka sure kung may bagong kanta.
Hindi ko sure kung ma-inspire ka rin ba magsulat ng kanta para sa kanila, diba? So, okay. So, nagka-crush ka kasi gusto mo lang silang gamitin.
Hindi.
Mga lalaki talaga. Mga lalaki talaga.
Iba kasi DJ siya yung kilig pag high school tsaka college eh, diba? Parang sobrang iba niya kapag, sorry na!
Hindi. Sorry ka. But anyway, sige, let's go back to your Singaporean food. So, syempre, nag-food trip kayo, di ba? Nakailang order ka ng Hainanese chicken, aka deconstructed tinola.
Di ko na alam, sa buong 3 days ata, yun lang yung kinakain ko.
Diba? I mean, if Philippines is to adobo, Singapore is
Hainanese
that Hainanese, diba? And talagang, alam ko naman maraming ibang options, but when you go to Singapore, you have to keep having that.
Siguro rin kasi, kahit saan ka pumunta, meron.
Oh, I guess also. But kung saan ka rin pupunta sa Pilipinas, wala rin lahat adobo. Not everyone has adobo.
Pero adobo pa rin.
Oh, but just pointing that out. But syempre, love your own. Oh. So, drums ka. Aside from guitar, it's drums. Is that why you had the special skin or talaga nagkataon lang rin na sa Singapore?
Nagkataon lang din siguro. Pero yung drums kasi parang sa live performances, yun yung
Galit-galit ka rin?
Hindi, parang yung drums yung parang pinaka nagda-drive sa buong banda eh. Pagka matamlay yung drummer, matamlay kayo lahat. So, parang,
sets the mood, sets the tempo.
Nasa kanya talaga kung gaano ka-hype yung buong set.
Ayun. Kaya pala. Ba't ka nag-gitara?
Kung pwede lang
So, kung ganun ka ka-talented, we'll wait for that moment to happen. Pero ito, I guess, very self-explanatory na kung bakit si Zach ang favorite OPM artist mo, diba?
Idol ko talaga.
It's the loving bromance for me and we're all here for it. Are you guys planning to like get married? Collab soon?
May ilalabas akong album sa August 1. May isang track doon, sinulat namin magkasama. Kaya, ayun, abangan nyo.
Kala ko dedicate for him or something. Sorry.
I love you, tol.
We love you back. Ganon. Also, August 1, meron kang upcoming album release.
August 1 ba yun? Basta yung first Friday ng August.
There you go. I'm sure you guys could check out the updates on his page. So just go check it out whenever you're ready. But yeah. All right. So let's move on to, thank you again for joining this little game of ours. Ayan. Oh, no, we're not yet done pala. Sorry. Let's go back to your favorite Beanie song. Sample nga.
Sa Pantropico.
Sample.
Hindi po talaga ako sumasayaw, DJ Shy.
But pero, yet?
Ano lang, salamin.
Hey!
Paano Dito kasi, lahat na lang yung mga tao sa HQ. Yung team ko po kasi, nakatira kami sa isang bahay.
Yeah.
Tas, as in, grabe, beanie fever talaga sa HQ.
Understandable rin eh.
Tas, hindi mo na mapigilan eh, kahit...
Yung sobrang kahit kunwaring pa-cool-cool ka, siya ako sumayaw ng ganyan.
Pagka narinig mo na, siya namin.
And we are not judging you for that. So, go lang. Love that. Love that.
Tsaka pag pinakinggan yung production ng songs nila, as in yung instrumentation ng songs nila, solid din talaga.
Yes.
Maganda rin yung song eh.
Oh, and I really love that the P-pop genre is really growing here. Diba? I mean, alam kong K-pop was a real push for that to happen, and we love K-pop as well. Pero, syempre, again, love your own, diba?
Yes, eh.
So, let's go OPM.
Let's go OPM.
Oo, diba? And finally, regarding yung magka-crush or ikaw ang maging crush, you know what? Let's not go through that again.
Oo nga.
Nagagalit lang ako na ginagaya mo lang kami mga babae. Okay, moving on. Let's talk about your new song. Ayan, of course, again, we're so grateful that you got to perform a couple of songs for us. But let's move on and talk about your upcoming, the song you're gonna the song you're gonna be performing later. There we go.
Dinggin.
Okay, so your latest single called Dinggin, it's a song inspired about your, ito na naman tayo, college crush. O, diba? Anyway. And admiring them from afar and struggling to express your love for them. So for you, when is the right time to confess to a crush?
Siguro, best time kapag napag-isipan mo mabuting gusto mong umamin. Siguro malaking bagay na alam mo ano yung plano mo dun sa crush mo. Kasi pag umamin ka tapos wala kang palang plano sa kanya, parang medyo magulo yun. Hindi mo na siya... kiss ka na sa kanya, tapos di mo na rin siya pwede maging kaibigan pag ganun. So parang, wala, sure mo muna. Pag sure ka na sa nararamdaman mo, tsaka ka umamin. Yun yung best time.
So, umamin ka ba?
Oo.
Sa kanya?
Oo.
Hey! Ano nangyari?
Ayun, kami na.
Ay! Ay, may kinilig ako naman! Akala ko kasi ibang kwento to. Ay, kinilig ako siya pala yun. Uy,
let's go!
Guys, sa iba na talaga. Sa love stories ng ibang tao na lang ako kinikilig. Ano okay lang sa akin? Ay, ano ba? Girl, congrats! Okay. Well, we noticed the prominence of sunflowers, in the visuals of Dinggin. What made you decide on such a flower?
Nasulat ko kasi yung song nasa school ako noon sa UP Diliman. Tapos parang sikat talaga yung sunflower sa UP Diliman. Tapos umaga rin noon. So parang pa sunrise pa lang. Kaya parang nasabi ko yung line siguro na parang mas maganda ka pa sa umaga, mga ngiti mo araw ay dala-dala. Parang naging representation lang yung sunflower nung yung crush ko. Kasi parang kahit wala pang araw, parang may sunshine na dahil sa kanya. And let's go!
Kinikilig ka? Girl, kinikilig ka? Slight? I'm already interviewing the girlfriend here. At grabe social naman ng UP Diliman. Sunflowers ang uso dun. Sabi mo,
pagka graduation season talaga. As in,
girl, kami bugambilya lang all year round. Social lang. Sunflower. But anyway, going back. So any advice to fans, and viewers who have trouble expressing their admiration for someone?
Yung advice ko, enjoy nyo yung mga times na kinikilig kayo kasi minsan lang yan. Baka minsan matagal na ulit yung next. Diba, DJ Shai?
So ano sinasabi mo?
Hindi, ayun. Enjoy nyo, masayang kiligin. Tas, walang mawawala kapag hindi kayo sumubok na magtanong at umamin. Tas yun, naalala ko yung sabi sa akin ng coach ko sa taekwondo dati. Parang walang mawawala kapag nagtanong ka. So, ayun, sure lang na walang mangyayari pag di ka nagtanong. Yun pala. Kaya ayun, tanongin mo na yung crush mo. Sabi mo, crush kita crush mo ba ako? Ganun.
Hindi.
Joke lang.
Okay, bye!
Hindi, ayun. Enjoy nyo yung kilig, tas laksan nyo yung loob nyo. Kasi kung gusto nyo talaga, makakaisip kayo ng paraan. Ayun.
And there you go. And syempre, ako marireject kayo. Walang better.
Okay
walang
lang.
Okay lang. Tough it out like a person. You should. Yes, oo. Pwede ka mag-sad boy na onti, okay lang. Pero huwag ka magalit sa tao nang reject sa'yo. But anyway. Parang feel ko na pressure ko na sa akin bigla.
Hindi,
Gina-judge kita ng onte eh, di ba? Tapos tinitingnan ko yung sabi, lalo yung sinabi mo na nawawala yung kilig, ganun, paminsan lang yan. Tapos dito yung girlfriend, di ba? Parang, I'm worried about the relationship when they leave the Easy Rock Plugged In studio. You know, I'm just kind of worried for the both of them. But that's their problem. For now, my problem is to make sure you still get to perform before you leave. So, of course, thank you, Daniel.
Thank you,
Grabe.
Easy Rock. Thank you.
This has been so much fun. And like I said earlier, iba talaga yung aura mo, iba yung performance mo when you're actually on the stage in front of a huge crowd. Ngayon kasi, 8 lang kami dito eh. So, iba. Gets ko naman. So, hopefully you guys could also get to watch Daniel perform live. And on that note, where could we check you out if you do have gigs or upcoming anything? Do let us know.
Follow nyo ako sa Facebook page ko at Daniel Paringit Music. Sa Instagram at Daniel Paringit. Sa TikTok din at Daniel Paringit. Tapos, ayun, pakinggan nyo yung songs ko sa YouTube, pati sa Spotify, sa lahat ng DSPs. Tapos, panoorin nyo rin yung vlogs ko sa YouTube. Tapos, DJ Shai, okay lang ba mag-shoutout?
But of course.
DWO sa Preningits, tsaka sa anak ni Ate Ipen, si ABC. Yung pinanganak kasi siya na wala na siyang sense of sight. So, naririnig niya lang tayo ngayon. Ayun. Thank you sa support. Ayun. Ingat ka palagi. Salamat sa support tsaka sa pagmamahal. Sa lahat ng nakikinig at nanonood ngayon, shoutout sa inyo. Love you all.
And there we go. Once again, that was Daniel Paringit. And of course, we will not let him leave the studio without him getting to perform his song for us. So without further ado, ano ba? Kanina ba ako? May sakit kasi ako. Guys, don't judge.
Partida pa yan, DJ Shai.
Oo, di ba? Partida pa. But anyway, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna take some rest. And I will see you guys again next time. Once again, my name is Shai. And this, our guest is Daniel Paringit. Go check him out.
Thank you, DJ Shai. Maganda ka pa kesa sa umaga. Mga ngiti mo ay araw ang dala-dala. Hanggang tingin na lang muna. Hindi naman ako umaasa. Sana kung kaya ko lang sabihin, kung kaya ko lang sasayangin. Pag-ibig ko sana'y iyong dinggin. Ikaw ang laging pansin, hindi ko kayang balewalain. Sa lahat ako'y walang hiya, pero ba't sa'yo di mo pagtupad? Hanggang tingin lang ang kaya, hindi naman ako umaasa. Sana kung kaya ko lang sabihin, kung kaya ko lang aminin, hindi kita sasayangin. Pag-ibig ko sana'y iyong dinggin. Di ako makapaniwala, may anghel pala dito sa lupa. Di ako makapaniwala, may anghel pala dito sa lupa. Thank you.